Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a fun and engaging topic, how to add sounds to your Discord soundboard on mobile in 2025. If you have ever wanted to spice up your voice chats with some hilarious sound effects or custom audio clips, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, grab your mobile device and launch the Discord app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step 2. Next, navigate to a server that allows a soundboard feature. Tap on any voice channel you want to join. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Once you have found your channel, hit that join button. You will be entering a world of sound where you can share your favorite clips with friends. Step 4. Now that you're in, tap on the voice channel name at the top of your screen. Look for the soundboard icon. It should be right there waiting for you. Tap it to open up the soundboard panel. Step 5. Here comes the fun part. Browse through your phone's storage to find the sound file you want to add. Make sure it's in a supported format like MP3 or WAV. If you don't have any sounds yet, consider downloading some fun clips or using an audio editing app to create your own. Step 6. After selecting your desired sound file, simply tap on it to upload. If you want, you can even give it a catchy name or an emoji to make it easier to find later. And there you have it. You're now equipped with add sounds to your Discord soundboard right from your mobile device. Whether you're looking to entertain friend during gaming session or just want to share some laughs in voice chats, these steps will help you personalize your Discord experience like never before. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy soundboarding and see you next time.